Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are talking about like 5 food to avoid if you have acne. A lot of people will be asked me about, so that's why I think I make a video on this topic. Let's have to move on. Number one is avoid dairy product. Dairy product will be increasing your sebum production, which will be led to acne, blackheads, and sometimes pus acne and sometimes pustule. Now the point is, how to avoid a dairy product, why we avoid dairy product, like what's the reason. A dairy product will be containing a lot of a hormone. This will be boost your growth hormone, and this will be also increasing your sebaceous gland hormone, so which will be increasing your oil production, your sebum production, and also which will be led to blackheads, and sometime you facing a red bumps and red acne and pus acne. So this is a so much a horrible and a disgusting situation, and some people will be eating a lot of a cheese, a lot of a yogurt, a lot of a milk, a drink here, a lot of a dairy product. All of them are containing a mostly hormone, so which will be increasing your HG hormone, growth hormone. So that's why you are facing all of them. And here you see just a little bit small tiny bumps. So now the point is avoid this, and after this you can't be face any acne. Second is, you can't be drink enough water, like minimum recommended water for every single person, like 2 to 3 liters. That's enough to flush out your toxins from your body, and also this will be good for your skin, for your appearance, for your health, and which will be also reducing your acne and reducing your sebum and oil secretion level in your internal body. So drink a lot of water. This will be also a part of our internal hygiene and internal health, and also this will be also flush out your toxins from your body. Now the point is, third is so much important. Avoid junk food. Junk food, basically this will be containing so much harsh and heavy oil, so which will be goes deeper into your body, also increasing your fat in your body, and also increasing your cholesterol level, and make your belly so much of fat, and also this will be store a lot of a fat. So here, and this will be also which will be increasing your sebum, your oil production. So you are facing acne, blackheads, whitehead, and pus cell, and see, and sometime you are facing a red bumps, so which will be led to more and make your face and skin so worse, and you are facing a acne. Number four reason is like you are not wearing a sunscreen. Here sunscreen will give you a lot of a benefit, like tinted sunscreen, chemical based sunscreen. So I'll tell you the difference between both of them, but here is the reason. I love the zinc oxide based sunscreen, so which will be protect you from acne and protect you from blackheads, whitehead, and also premature signs of aging, photo aging, signs of aging. Here is a lot of a majority people, a lot of people will be saying to me, sir, we are facing a fine line and wrinkle on my under eye, forehead, like blah blah thing. Now the point is, now my question to all of you: you're wearing a sunscreen, yes or no? If you are wearing a sunscreen, definitely sunscreen. Every single dermatologist and FDA approved, every dermatologist will be prescribe you, and every dermatologist will be saying every single time wearing a sunscreen is so much important when you goes outside in a sun. When you are not wearing a sunscreen and directly goes out in a sun, this will be contain a UVA and UVB rays, so which will be directly goes into your skin, and this will be also destroying your collagen, and also this will be make your sebum to increase more oil, to produce more oil. So that's why your oil production will be increasing, so definitely you are facing a acne and blackhead. So here is a lot of importance and benefit of a sunscreen. So sunscreen is a so much important thing which will be added in your daily life to get benefit from this. So sunscreen is so much important. If you are wearing sunscreen. If you are not wearing a sunscreen, so that's why here is the reason you're facing a acne. Number five point is you have some internal issues. Like, go to your doctor and first of all do your test. Sometime people will be facing a lot of diseases internally. All of them will not be know about like what kind of problem will be facing. Sometime you are facing a anemia, sometime your platelets level will be decreased, sometime your white blood cells and red blood cell will be decreased. So here is the reason. First of all, improving your diet, focus and working on your diet, and now go to your specialist, and after this take your test and taken your test, and after your test will be clear. So definitely internal test is so much important. If you have internally issues, so here is the reason. So that's why you are facing, like, depending on your genes, if your parents will be facing a acne, so definitely you are facing also. Now thank you so much for watching this a reason you are facing a acne. Okay, so if you like, please subscribe for skincare videos and press the bell icon for notification, and press the bell icon for notification of my videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching.